The region R is bounded by the equations y equals log of x plus 1 plus 2 and y equals x squared in the first quadrant. I don't know where the rest of the word quadrant is, but it's gone. What is the volume of the solid form when the region R is rotated around the x-axis? So, all right, logs usually look like this, right? X squared usually looks like this. So you're going to be my A, you're going to be my B. I'm rotating you around the x-axis. Right? So this is the washers method. So what we're going to do is, since my log is the one that's probably up here, you're going to be my log and you're going to be my x squared. So the equation or the integral that I'm going to set up, okay, is going to have pi living out front. I need to find my lower limit. I need to find my upper limit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take log of x plus 1 plus 2, square that, and then I'm going to subtract out x squared squared. Okay, dx. So again, I'm going to graph these guys. I'm going to find out where they intersect. Once I find out where they intersect, I'm going to write those numbers down, and then I'm going to use this guy right here, the integral, and I'm going to plug all of that stuff in. I'm going to have to make sure that I include pi on the inside when I do the integral so I don't make a mistake. But I'm going to integrate that using my calculator, see what number I get, and we'll find out what happens. So let's start graphing away. We've got log of x plus 1 plus 2. So there's my x, there's my plus 1, close it, plus 2. And then my other guy was x squared. Now I need to find out where these guys intersect in the first quadrant. Now this is good news. Let's zoom in. This is good news because these guys intersect over here, which means my left limit is going to be 0. So my left limit is going to be 0 based on the fact that my first point of intersection is over here in a different quadrant. So I'm going to use 0 as my lower limit. And so all I have to do is find out my upper limit. So hit second calc. Let's find out where these two guys intersect. So let's move over here a little bit. Hit enter. Let's move over here a little bit. Hit enter. Hit enter again. And I get 1.5513. All right, so let's set up our integral. Let's go back here. I don't need this anymore. Clear, clear. Now, I'm going to throw pi in front of everything. Pi. Okay. And then I have parentheses, parentheses, log of x plus 1, close it, plus 2, close it, square it, and then minus x squared, close it, square it, and then close it one more time. All right, so now that I have what I need, I think everything is typed out correctly. I don't think I have any errors. I can hit graph. All right, that looks pretty good to me. Let's hit second calc and hit 7. Type in my lower limit, which was 0, my upper limit, which was 1.551. Hit enter. And I get 18.757 bloody 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 blah. Whew. So let's go back and type that out. All right, so we ended up with 18.757, which is B. And that's going to do it for the calculator section. So on to some open-endeds. Fun, fun, fun.